to tutorials, and in this video you will learn how to submit, how to enable XML sitemap in Yoast SEO. Actually it's already enabled, so I will show you from where you can see XML sitemap in Yoast SEO plugin. And the second point is how to submit your XML sitemap to search engine, search console or webmaster. So let me show you practically how to and where you can find this XML sitemap in Yoast SEO, and how the same XML sitemap you can submit in search console. Let's go to here, SEO, the plugin, and then search appearance, and it's a general social, no, not social, here in general, then features. Under the features you will see some of the options. Okay, so here you can find XML sitemaps, then click on this, and then this here, XML sitemap. Okay, so click, and then you can see this is the XML sitemap. So this is how you can find XML sitemap in Yoast SEO. So this is part 1. Now, as you know, that XML sitemap is very good for crawling. For bots, it's easy to understand the XML sitemap. From this, the Google bots or crawler can identify easily your pages because it's in a structured query language or a structured language. So Google bots understand it better than normal sitemap. So you need to submit this into search engine console or Google webmaster. So we will go to webmaster and change my email ID. Okay, start now. In here I need to change this to this email ID. We had added here, yeah, this one. So in case you have missed my last 2 videos, then I recommend you to please follow my last 2 videos, then you will understand better how to install and how to verify this into search engine console, search console. So now to submit XML sitemap, this side you can see sitemaps here. Now click here, and then let's copy it, copy, and then paste here. Since up to here it's already there, so I need to change up to here. Now submit. Okay, as you can see, it says that sitemap submitted successfully. Now got it. And here you can see the success message. Sometimes it shows pending and it will take some time to update it, so don't worry at all. So guys, this is how you can submit your XML sitemap, and also you can find where the sitemap exists in Yoast SEO. So hope you like this video. Still, if you have not subscribed my channel, then I request you to subscribe, and also please watch my previous 2 videos regarding this Yoast SEO. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.